When I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling?
Morning, welcome to a brand new vlog. It is Tuesday today and it is currently, let me check, it's 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. I just wanted to sit down and have a little bit of a chat this morning before we start our day. I feel like I've had so much time off actually vlogging. It's been a while. I have tried to vlog last week, the weekend, Monday, like every single day I've tried to vlog. It just hasn't turned out, or I just vlog like a snippet and then not the rest of the day. But today I was actually meant to go into work, but I unfortunately had to call in sick, not because of myself, because I am completely fine, but because of my little man. So he was going to come into daycare with me because Jason flew out this morning. But I came home yesterday after work and Frederick had conjunctivitis. So I've had to call in sick today because of Frederick. So no money earning today. It kind of sucks, but you got to do what you got to do as a parent, unfortunately. So we're having the day at home while Frederick gets better from conjunctivitis. I think I caught it quite early, so we've put the drops in, which we've had in our house because he only just got over conjunctivitis a month ago. So we've had the drops in our house, so we've just been using the drops and just making sure he gets his supplements, so he's like iron, his zinc, his B12, all that kind of stuff, so it doesn't affect him so much this time. If you want to know what I just put on my face, I just put my Raw Canvas probiotic lotion on. I'm really liking it and it's making my skin look really nice and making it really healthy. So it's been some time this morning, literally after I got ready, put my hair together, put my clothes on, put my face on, Frederick ended up falling asleep. It was 9:30 I think when I finished doing everything, and he was fast asleep, and he literally just woke up like 20 minutes ago and now it's 12:30, so he's literally been sleeping all morning and we have not done anything. But I've decided that we're going to take Frederick's bike and we're going to go down to the foreshore, take Tiger with us, and we're going to go get some fresh air because this child, yay, because he really needs some fresh air. That walk was so nice, so calming and relaxing. There's like literally no one out, so it makes me so happy that there is no one out while I'm going for a little walk. But I actually need to go grab some stuff for dinner. I don't actually know what we're having for dinner, so I need to figure out that first before we go to the shops. I have to drop off Tiger, so we have to go all the way home to come all the way back to the shops, but that's okay. At least I'm out of the house and I'm not sitting on the couch doing nothing. We just got home and we actually got home to a parcel, and I was actually in the middle of showing you guys what I got, and then I realized, Amy, you can't show them you're doing a clothing haul because you ordered a couple of things, so stop showing the vlog what you bought. So I can't show you guys, but they are stunning, and hopefully the clothing haul will be up in a week's time. I'm actually going to try these new clothes on to see how they fit. One's a little bit risque, but It's a little bit different for me, something that I wouldn't go for, but I like it. But you guys will just have to wait, unfortunately. You probably think that I just got out of the shower and this is what I'm looking like today, but in actual fact it is the next day. It is Thursday today and it is a very cold winter's day today. It is a little bit chilly and it's raining today, so we're staying indoors all day today, and at the moment we actually are just doing some arts and crafts. Well, Frederick's more like sticking stickers on pieces of paper. This is his favorite thing to do at the moment, is stickers, and he's literally just sticking them on the piece of paper.
No, this.
What's on that sticker?
A color green.
It is green, but is it a cat? It's a cat.
A knife.
A snake, yes. What colour is it?
Color green.
The snake is green, but what's the other colour?
Color green.
No, purple.
No.
Yes. What colour's the bee?
Yellow.
And?
Green.
And what else is the colour in it?
Color blue.
Yeah, yellow and black.
Oh, kitty.
What about this one? You haven't done any of these ones. The red ones. The elephants.
Three.
Good boy. Elephant? What colour's the elephant?
Color green.
No. The elephant.
Color gray.
Well done. We're not going to be doing anything today. I'm not going to be putting any makeup on. I'm going to stay in these clothes today because I was like, what's the point? What is the point? I'm not filming today. I'm not doing any other YouTube stuff other than this and editing and uploading, but other than that, this is it. So I was like, there's no point putting makeup on because I'm literally not doing anything all day. I think I do need to do some cleaning though, so I think we might cue a cleaning montage. my housework is done. I think I'm going to end today's vlog. We're not going to be really doing anything, and I still need to edit for this today. So we're going to end today's vlog. So I hope you all had fun seeing us the last couple of days. I know I haven't been vlogging very much, so hopefully this makes up for it. But I guess we'll see you guys in a couple of days. Bye.